Welcome to this video aims to show you how to cook lentil and chickpea curry protein meal prep step by step. So, let's get started on this protein-packed journey together. Stay tuned for the full recipe. Ingredients: 1. Lentils. 2. Chickpeas. 3. Coconut milk. 4. Curry paste. 5. Onion. 6. Garlic. 7. Ginger. 8. Spinach, optional. 9. Rice or naan bread, optional. Instructions. Step 1. Sauté diced onion, minced garlic, and grated ginger in a pan until fragrant. Step 2. Add lentils, chickpeas, coconut milk, and curry paste. Step 3. Simmer until lentils are cooked through. Step 4. Stir in spinach until wilted. Step 5. Serve with rice or naan bread. If you found value in today's content, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more empowering videos on holistic health, self-care, and personal growth. Thank you for being a part of the Souda Wellness family. Until next time, take care, stay mindful, and keep shining bright.